Hello everybody, so today I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That is about e to the power of n8 equals to capital 8. So this one, that is this one. Now we need to transform this one into this one. Next, we have the second formula in here. So this is about 8. This is about 8. This is about b. Now we need to transform this one into this one. Next, n to the power of n, we can put into n multiplied by n multiplied by n. And so on in here. Next, in this one, we can distribute n for n plus 1, n plus number 2, and n plus n. So we have like this. N plus number 2 over n. And so on in here. So in this one, we have the formula. So this is about 8, b, and so on until capital N. Now we need to transform this one into this one. So we have like this. So we can see that we can put this one go in here. So if I use about the definition of integral, so this one, that is about the width of the rectangle. This one, that is about the length of the rectangle when n approaches to positive infinity. So that means they will have a lot of rectangles in here. They combine, and we can put 1 minus number 0 in here. That means they will start at number 0 and they stop at number 1. So in this case, we have e to the power of the integration. That is about Ln of 1 plus s, and we have the bounds. That should be about from number 0 to number 1. Now we need to calculate this one. So we need to use about interpolation bypass. So I will put about u equals to ln of 1 plus s. Later that we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have like this dv that is about dx. The interpolation of this one, we have v equals to s. And now we have the final answer. We have u multiplied by v. And then we put the bounds from 0 to number 1. Minus, we have the interpolation from 0 to number 1. So this one we need to add number 1. Later that we need to minus number 1. So this one divide this one, we have number 1. The interpolation of number 1, that is about s. The next one we have this one. And then we put the bounds from 0 to number 1. So we put number 1 go in here, number 0 go in here. So that should be about this one. We have ln number 2 minus this one we put in here, so we have number 1 minus ln number 2. So in this case, ln number 2 minus ln number 2, you got number 0. Oh, sorry, negative, negative, we have positive, so we have number 2 ln number 2 minus number 1. So I will put this one go in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching. Here is the full answer of the question in here.